What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you something like this.
Jesus is Lord.
Yeah, this video is for if you are using KMaster. If you are using KMaster, this video editing is for you guys how to disappear. So, first of all, the first step you have to do, the first step is the very place you record your video. Also, snap that the same background without leaving there. Just snap that place exactly the same angle, the same spot, the same size. Snap that exactly place. Then the second step, you go to your YouTube in case you want to use any effect, you want to disappear. First of all, you have to do, you go to your YouTube and download any effect. Like in this video I use smoke effect, so any effect you like to you go to your YouTube and download the effect. You go to it and download the green screen effect. Any type of the effect you want to download, make sure it's green screen so that you can remove the green screen and use only this effect. So you go to your YouTube and download it. So this is my YouTube, and I use this very one, this very effect. This is the effect I use. So this is the effect I use on my video. So this is exactly the effect I use. You can see this is the effect. So when you download it, then you go to your KMaster, which this is the third step now. So you go to your KMaster. So this is my KMaster. I actually download this very particular KMaster because of I love this very KMaster. And in one of my next video I'm going to show you how to remove watermark from KMaster and how to do so many things on KMaster. So this very video is for how to vanish, disappear. So the third step now is this KMaster. So you have to bring the very video you record. So this is my video that I record now. This is the video. So and this is the picture. So you can see it. You can see that this is the picture and this is the video. So okay, so let me clip this video together. No, it must be the same angle with the okay, let it be the same angle. And no, it must be the same angle, the same size. Okay, yeah, so I think this will be better. Okay, make sure it's the same angle. So I'm going to record, I'm going to cut it. So exactly the spot. Yeah, so this is it. I'm going to trim it from here. So trim it, and also I'm going to wash it. Okay, yeah, so I've got it. So this is exactly place. I'm going to stop. So this is exactly place. I'm going to trim it again, trim it to right. Okay, you can see it there. All you have to do, you have to duplicate this very one, duplicate it, duplicate layers. So this layer, duplicate as layer. So you duplicate it, you can see it, then you bring it here to the exactly spot. Then and all you have to do, you make sure that you expand it and make it full. Make sure that it's full. So okay, so you can see it. So just watch something like this. So this I want to be. So I'm going to shift it little. That's how we're going to do it. So make sure slide with the same thing. So it's not. So okay, let's see it. You see it. So all I gotta do now is just for me to put the effect. So you click this your layer. So you come here and you go to your downloader. This is my downloader. So this is the effect. So first off, I'm going to trim it and choose the particular effect I want to use. So the main effect I want to use. So okay, so let me shift it. Make sure it's the same angle with this very one. Okay, so let's check something like this. So all you have to do, you chrome it, yeah, and you go to your chrome key. So and before you go to your chrome key, you make sure you expand it, and all you have to do is for you to put in your full screen. You can see it. So this is it. So then you have to remove the green screen, the background. So you go to your chrome key and you enable it. You can see it. So you make sure you enable it. Then because sometimes this your okay, you enable it a little bit. You can see the green color is also showing. So don't worry about that because it's just effect. So all you have to do, you go to your color filter, then you can put either, because I'm going to use, I especially use this black and white. So you can see it, you cannot see the effect again, the color again, the green color. So all you have to do is just for you to play it now. Just wash. Have you seen? Hope you see it. So that is it. So you trim this, okay, trim it to the right. So just wash something like this. So that is it. So it's going to trim little, okay. So let's watch it. Oh, that's cool. So all you have to do now, you can put your music, any sound of your funny comedy you have. So I'm gonna put this very one that I also used before. Okay, so this so just list it on it, and this it is. Jesus is Lord. So you follow your, okay. Jesus is Lord. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you love this video, if you like this video, turn up. Also share with your friends and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you and God bless.